Brian Van, STG, back again with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we have a great looking lid. I've actually got a second colorway under the table I'm going to show you. But this one also sells at a super affordable price. HJC is really kicking ass and taking names in the graphic department. RPHA 11 Pro, Iannone. This is matte finish. Really stunning. The pictures look good. It looks even better in person. Check out the back detail. I've got a dark smoke screen on this right now because this helmet ships with both a clear that'll come installed on the helmet and a free dark smoke shield at well under $500. And here is the all black version as well. This one looks like maybe the sketch when they were laying out the graphic. It's kind of cool. We're torn here at the shop on which one we like better. HJC RPHA 11 Pro, Iannone, two to choose from.